Ito ang tinatawag na longest happy birthday. Kaya ni Yura yan. Yura. Yeah. Alright. Okay, now let's start with, what's your name? Jamira? Okay, hawak mo yung mic. Sabihin mo, happy birthday! Kailangan mahaba para ikaw manalo, ha? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, okay, thank you so much, Jamira. Diyan ka lang, diyan ka lang. Si Jamira ay nakakuha ng 6. Okay, next. Ano pangalan mo? James. James, kailangan maka-7 ka pataas na para matalo si Jamira. Okay? Ready? Happy birthday! And 3, 2, 1, go! May day yun. Sabi mo, happy birthday! Ganon. Isa pa, isa pa. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20! Kahit nag-shortcut siya, happy birthday. Okay, next. Kuya, what's your name? Junior? Uno. Okay, ready ka na? Kailangan maka-21 ka para matalo si James, ha? Okay, happy birthday in 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22! Wow! Okay. Next, Jessica. Ready? Ready ka na, Jessica? 3, 2, 1, go! Isa pa, Jessica. Isa pa. 1. Hey! Palagpakan mo natin si Jessica. Okay, last. Si Yura. Are you ready? Dito ma. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,